What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So yes, today we are going to break out the boat, and it's coming up to you next on this episode of
Welcome to noprosrc. And I miss you.
Okay guys, what's up? Welcome back. So what I'm going to do here, since this is recommending that you can take it to the ocean and salt water and run it, I'm not going to drive all the way to Ocean City to demonstrate this capabilities of this RC Nano boat. But what I am going to do is take it upstairs to our bathroom, fill the tub up with water, and we will drop it in and see what she can do. But before we can do that, we have to unbox it. So let's go ahead and unbox it. We're gonna let this boat speak for itself versus, you know, me talking about what it can and can't do. We're just gonna see what it can and can't do. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it. Okay guys, welcome back. So we got it unboxed. Now the only thing we have to do is go upstairs, run some bath water, and place her in the tub and see what she can actually do. But first, just going to go over a few things here. Like on the controller, right here is where you'll charge the boat with this little port right here. We have the normal controls, up, down, left, right. You know what the LED light is like. The only thing I don't like is that I have to unscrew the back of here to put the batteries in. Okay, so this is why it pays to read the directions, but I still don't do that. There's already batteries in here, but just for future reference, you will need to unscrew all 4 of those bolts to replace them. So all I have to do now is just plug it into wherever the port needs to go on the boat and get it charged up, and then we'll be ready to go. Okay, so to charge this guy, you charge it at the top of the boat. It flashes when it's charging. The boat version will turn green, I believe. She is ready to go. Now, finally, we can go upstairs, fill up the tub with water, and we can put this Nano RC boat to the test. Let's get it.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed that brief little demonstration we had with this little nano boat. It's pretty fun, even in the tub, and as you can see, with the power that it does have and the power that it doesn't have, I would not recommend putting this in the ocean with waves and all that stuff. It is just for what I did, the tub or a pool, or maybe even like a stream or a creek or something, little to no current. That's really all it's good for. Controls, they're pretty decent. It responds well. There is no on and off switch on here. The sensor right here, the indicator right here, that lets the computer know that it's in water, and that's when it turns on. Other than that, I really have no bad things to say about it. So with that being said, I'm not gonna hold y'all. Make sure you like, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you know when we drop new videos. Thank you so much for all your views. I appreciate your views and watching our channel, taking your valuable time watching our channel. But I would really appreciate it if you guys would subscribe. Don't just watch, you know, become a part of the noprosrc family. We would love to have you and discuss things RC. All right, so with that being said, y'all be easy. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.